Hey everybody, today in my makeshift filming station, I'm going to be opening a box of 2018 Topps Fire Baseball. I absolutely love this stuff and was able to buy several boxes at a good price. Very, very fortunate because I really like this stuff. I love the parallels, I love the base. I haven't had like crazy luck with the one hit, the one autograph, but I don't really care. I mean, this is one of those that to me provides a lot of value, and I like the base, the inserts, it has parallels. I mean, so that one autograph is just part of the big picture. So I really, really, really like the look of this. And I love that of course, it includes the old timers as well as modern players, and of course the really good 2018 rookie class. It's got a little bit of everything at a really good price point. So alright, we're going to start off with Clemens, Willie McCovey. There's the first parallel of Franklin Barreto, Reggie Jackson, Doc Gooden, and Cespedes. Also, I've been able to get several of my Mike Piazza cards for my personal collection, and that's made me happy, including a couple of parallels. Canseco, Moncada, sweet, and Ohtani parallel. Look at that. This is the orange, numbered to 299. So it's a nice pull. Ryan Sandberg, there's a Piazza there. I've already got this one, but I'll add it to the collection as well. And Johnny Bench. Bryce Harper, Ricky Henderson, Buxton, A. Syndergaard. Oh crap, I'm trying to remember what this was called. Oh, Flamethrowers. Don Mattingly and Romero rookie. This is a good size box of cards too. I think it's 20 packs. Arrieta, Harrison, Alex Gordon, Kingery rookie, Torres, and Bohr. Stanton, Gomez rookie. There's a Kluber. Delmonico rookie, Mustakas. Kelly, Verlander. Yeah, I forgot you also get a one jersey card in this, and this is a Clint Frazier relic numbered out of 75. It's the green parallel, so that's nice. I like Clint Frazier, and I love that this is a parallel version of the hit. Kinsler and DeGrom. Rosario rookie, Davis, Clint Frazier base rookie, Marte insert, Cisco rookie, and Myers. Page, Kiermaier, Trey Turner. Yeah, the inserts just look so good. I don't have the best light right now, but hopefully it comes through. Verdugo rookie, Gennett, and Ian Happ. Davis rookie, Bellinger, Shaw parallel, Berrios, Lowry, and Bueller rookie. A-Rod, O'Neill rookie, Mark McGwire, Chapman parallel, Yu Darvish, and De Jong. McMahon rookie. Gordon McMahon autograph. Sweet. That's not bad at all. Let's see if it's numbered. It is not. But that's okay. It's a good one. Pretty good hits in this box. Cabrera, there's an Albies rookie. And Vadu. Beckham, Banda rookie. Jed Lowry insert. Cooper, Pence, and Rizzuto. Blyleven, Syndergaard, Kane parallel. Franco, Mayha rookie. Pick up the pace a little bit here. Alright, Blackburn rookie, Altair, Andujar rookie. Fired up, Stanton. Longoria. Taylor, Arenado, Mancini, Benintendi insert. Lamb and Baez. Trevor Story, Ozuna, and Bogarts. This should be numbered, yep, to 199. Acuna rookie. And Pedro. Just a few more packs to go. Springer, Randy Johnson, Stevenson rookie parallel. I think that's the first rookie parallel out of this. Adames, Snell, and Blackburn. Oh wait, no, because I pulled the Ohtani parallel too. Boggs, Contreras, Greinke, Zunino. It's the first time I've gotten two of these in a box. Sale and Ripken. So we got a Glaber on the back. Cano, Gossage, Porcello, Gallo, Snyder, and Glaber. Last pack. Benintendi, Altuve, Simmons, Machado, Richards, and Trout. So, highlights of box one, the Ohtani parallel, the McMahon autograph rookie, and the Clint Frazier green parallel rookie. So not a bad little haul out of this box. Like I said, I've got, or maybe I didn't say, but I've got 4 more of these. So if you want to see what else comes out of those, please like and subscribe, or at least keep returning to the channel, because those will be posted soon. Everybody take care. Hope you're having a great week, and I'll be back.